Hello children, today we will be starting with chapter 3, that is Climate and Us. Children, have you ever noticed that each and every day in a year is not the same? Sometimes we will experience scorching heat. It's very hot during summer days, while the other times we find the biting cold winds in the winter. On such days, we will feel like sitting near the fireplace and sipping a cup of tea, coffee, or warm milk. What about monsoon? The monsoons will bring heavy rainfall, and if at all we forget our raincoat or umbrella, we'll get completely drenched in the rain. Isn't it, children? Have you experienced such days when you went to school? Yes. So the monsoons will bring heavy rainfall. And there are few days where it is just pleasant and calm. The day is very beautiful. It is neither sunny nor cloudy. It's just bright and pleasant. The weather is very bright, pleasant and calm. So what do you feel like doing on such days? On such days where the weather is very pleasant and calm, we usually feel like going on a picnic and enjoying the day, the beautiful day. Children, why do you think the days keep changing throughout the year? Why do you think it is sunny in summer and it rains heavily in the monsoons? Why do you think these changes take place? They take place because of the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Let's learn about atmosphere. Atmosphere is a layer of gases that surround the earth. These layer of gases are commonly known as air. Without the atmosphere, there will not be any life on earth. So this atmosphere is a layer of gases which are called as air. So they will affect the weather and climate of our earth. Let's learn about weather and climate. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular time and place. So weather is nothing but the state of atmosphere. This describes to which extent will it be hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. So weather is a mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Weather can be different in different parts of the world, and it can change within minutes, hours, days and weeks. Let's say this week the weather might be sunny, but next week it might start raining. So weather can change within weeks, it can even change within minutes or hours. This minute it might be raining, but the next 10 minutes, after next 10 minutes, it might be sunny again. So weather is not constant, it keeps changing frequently. What is climate? Climate is long-term weather. Climate is a weather condition that persists over a long period of time. Changes in climate also lead to changes in seasons. Climate is defined as a long-term weather pattern over a region. So climate usually will lead to changes in seasons. Because of climate, we have seasons. So children, what are the various seasons? We have summer. In summer, the weather is sunny and hot. We can go to the beach, drink something cold. We can even swim and sail in a sailboat. Monsoon. Monsoons will bring heavy rainfall. Next we have winter season. In winter, the weather is very cold. Sometimes in certain regions, it will even snow. In spring, the leaves are green, the flowers blossom, the weather is very warm, and the birds will sing. In autumn, the weather is cool, the leaves will turn red and brown. Sometimes the weather will be cloudy. Now let's learn about a meteorologist. Who is a meteorologist? A meteorologist is a person who uses scientific principles. Why? To explain, understand, observe, or forecast the Earth's weather and how this weather will affect the Earth and life on the planet. Weather events are recorded and predicted by meteorologists worldwide every day. So, a meteorologist is a person who observes the weather. He tries to understand it, he explains it, and then this will be forecasted in the TV news. So, how does a meteorologist observe the weather? Through satellite. What is a satellite? Satellite is a man-made machine that orbits around a planet. Here, the satellite is a machine that will be launched into space, and this machine will move around the Earth. It will rotate around the Earth, and through this satellite, the satellite images are taken. So satellite images are one of the most powerful and important tools which are used by the meteorologists to observe and study the weather patterns. So children, on this map we have the different climatic regions of the world. A polar climate consists of cool summers and very cold winters. Temperate regions have very moderate climate. Temperate means moderate. The climate will neither be burning hot nor freezing cold. The arid regions do not receive much rainfall. The tropical regions are usually warm. The Mediterranean regions have hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters. Children, let's once again go through the differences between weather and climate. Weather is short term, whereas climate is long term. Weather can change within hours or minutes or even weeks, whereas climate takes a long period of time to change. And climate usually leads to seasons, the various seasons like summer, winter, spring, autumn, monsoon, etc. The scientific study of weather is called meteorology, and a meteorologist studies the weather. The scientific study of climate is called as climatology, and a climatologist studies the climate. So the weather and climate affect our ways of life. They also affect our clothing, the food that we eat, the transportation, and where we should live. For example, the climate in Jammu Kashmir is very cold, so the people over there wear warm clothes. Similarly, in summers, we don't feel like eating something hot. Rather, we feel like eating something cold like an ice cream. So both weather and climate will affect the way we live on this earth. Hope you have understood the lesson, children. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next video.